Welcome to 97 Acheson Boulevard, an incredibly spacious 4+1 bedroom home with 4 washrooms, nestled in a highly desirable neighbourhood within Toronto's Port Union community. Its interlocking driveway accommodates 4 vehicle parking in addition to the double-car garage, and the covered concrete front entrance has a new set of double-entry doors and sidelights, which open into a grand porcelain-tiled reception foyer open to above, while a chandelier suspended from the Cathedral ceiling illuminates the space. This entertainer's dream home showcases generously sized principal rooms, beginning with a sunken formal living room off the foyer that is fully open and steps up to the adjacent dining area. Both of these impressive entertaining spaces are finished with newer engineered hardwood flooring, have the warm accent of dark-stained wood baseboards and window trims, as well as the elegant touch of crown moldings. Enhancing the intimacy of the dining room is the ambient glow of its beautiful chandelier, and the huge east and west-facing windows of these rooms allow for an abundance of natural lighting, while their new silhouette blinds provide privacy and light diffusion. The open theme flow of the home continues into the kitchen area, an exceptional workspace with the added bonus of a huge wall pantry to complement the storage offered by its beautiful wood cabinetry, a servery area, and an indoor charcoal barbecue built into its brick accent wall. The kitchen also features a stainless steel fridge, wall oven, and warming drawer, has a built-in cooktop, microwave, and dishwasher, and additionally features a ceramic tiled floor and backsplash, pot lighting, as well as a double sink in the peninsula. Dark-stained wood trims surround the breakfast area's 3 west-facing windows, which allow for lots of natural lighting, and also finish the sliding door walkout that opens onto a covered patio overlooking the backyard. Off the main foyer space are curved hardwood staircases to the upper and lower levels, the powder room, as well as a laundry room with a gorgeous French door entry, front-load washer and dryer, storage, stainless steel sink, and a secondary side entrance. And to complete the main level is a huge family room with newer hardwood flooring, a niche space with a sink that has potential for a wet bar, a stone accent wall surrounding a gas fireplace, as well as a massive window that offers an unobstructed view of the fully fenced backyard, which transforms into a summertime oasis centered around a 16 by 32-foot in-ground pool. The upper level is just as bright and spacious as the main level, and features the coziness of carpeting throughout, dark-stained wood finishes including doors, trims, and baseboards, a main washroom with ceramic finishes and a jetted tub with a handheld shower, a nicely sized linen closet, as well as 3 graciously sized secondary bedrooms, all with ceiling fans, double closets, and large windows with privacy blinds. Through a double-door entry is the master bedroom, an exceptionally bright personal haven that has a massive east-facing window with privacy blinds that bathes this room in natural light. Very generous in its size, this bedroom has plenty of space for a sitting area, has a dressing area with 2 double closets with mirrored doors, and is complete with an ensuite washroom featuring ceramic finishes, toilet and bidet, as well as a shower area behind its entry door. The upper hall is open to the foyer below, and its huge east-facing second-story window floods in natural light, enhancing the airy atmosphere felt within the home, which has been freshly painted throughout and also has other important maintenance and mechanical features, including new windows and a new furnace, a newer air conditioning system, and an 8-year-old roof. While the garage door, the interlocking driveway and front walkway, the interlocking steps off the back patio, and the pool's liner and heater, as well as its surrounding stonework and rubber rock deck surfacing, were all completed in 2018. The lower level brings more family, entertaining, and utility space to the home, including a large games and hobby room with a French door entry just off the staircase landing. Most of this level is carpeted for warmth and coziness, has dark-stained wood trims, baseboards, and doors, and also features a room ideal as a bedroom that has both a walk-in closet and a second smaller storage closet, as well as another room that is combined storage and workshop space, which provides access to a large cold cellar. A very spacious room with a relaxed and casual entertaining atmosphere. The recreation area features a brick wall and hearth surrounding a gas fireplace, a dining or card-playing area, a wet bar, and the convenience of a 3-piece washroom with a pedestal sink and shower area. Located in a family-minded neighborhood, this home is close to fabulous amenities. Schools such as Centennial Road Junior Public School, St. Brendan Catholic Elementary School, École élémentaire catholique Saint-Michel, Sir Oliver Mowat Collegiate Institute, and Creative Minds Montessori Academy, Colonel Danforth, Lower Highland Creek, and the Port Union waterfront parks, local plazas for everyday shopping essentials, and the Rouge Hill GO Station, while the Toronto Zoo, Rouge National Urban Park, and access to Highway 401 are just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.